Very good delivery from Samit Patel. It's turned out to be a fantastic over with one ball remaining. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Just 8 runs of the over. Nepal are 82 without loss. 16 needed of 2 overs for Team Nepal. Reminder to everybody into the stands to be cautious and be careful, as the ball will be hit towards the stands and everywhere around the ground. Please make sure to be safe. The crowd is chanting Asif Ali's name here. They want a big hit from Asif Ali, don't they?
Asif!
Well, after an update, Asif Ali completes his half century of just 14 deliveries. Let's give it up for Asif Ali!
Yeah.
A fantastic knock by him. He sent back retired new batter Fahim Ashraf. Fahim Ashraf into the act straight away. Can we get 5 in a row? Can we get 5 in a row? Can we get 5 in a row? One ball remaining. The crowd want another one. Wide, wide, wide. 79 runs on the board. Is the 4th over. It's been an expensive over, but the Pakistan crowd want another one. Great effort. Brilliant save from Raja. That brings us to the end of the over. 4 overs gone. Pakistan are 81 without loss.
I left my job, I lost my car and my home. I'm leaving for a destination.
It's a 1 ball 14 needed. And that brings us to the end of the game. The winners of this game between UAE and Pakistan. It is Pakistan winning by 13 runs. Next game coming up, match number 5. It's going to be Sri Lanka.
अगर बैट्समैन को चेक करने के कहाँ बॉलिंग करनी है वहाँ करते रहो तो मुश्किल होता है उसके लिए.
Well, he's saying the boundaries are quite short, but he adjusted really well and bowled last over quite well for us.
That's great. And now in this tournament, you got to be able to bat and bowl both. How does he feel about that?
इस टूर्नामेंट में बैटिंग भी करेंगे बॉलिंग भी करेंगे तो कैसा लग रहा है?
बड़ा मजा आ रहा है और इसके अलावा एंजॉय कर रहे हैं.
Well, he likes it and obviously likes bowling as well.
All right. Thank you, guys. Congratulations for that win. Thank you.
So, one thing, put the mic to him also when he's speaking in Hindi.
Proceedings. Pull that away. First ball, sixer.
This is Sri Lanka versus Oman.
Very good delivery. Let's hear from the crowd now. All the fans of Oman, make some noise. And all the Sri Lankan fans, make some noise. Oh, he's bludgeoned that for a sixer. What a hit that is. The dance moves are out from Sri Lankans. That is played beautifully for a maximum. That will be a run out. Ehsan Khan without facing a delivery. The Prince of Hong Kong takes a wicket here. Wicket number 2 goes down for New Zealand. A sixer, but Hong Kong are the winners of this game against Team New Zealand. Let's give it up for Team Hong Kong!
Looks like it's Oman and Bangladesh now.
Single to finish off the over. The first over is completed. Team Bangladesh 21 without loss. Another boundary. There you go, biggest of them all. That is out of here. Maximum to finish off his innings here. 55 he scored unbeaten. Let's give it up for Saifuddin, everybody. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody here at the ground, let's do a quick countdown. Are you ready? Let's do the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? First runs on the board for Team India. Boundary by Robin Uthappa. Let's get boundaries for Robin Uthappa. That movie is all the while. Chuck it there! Chuck it there! 25 runs on the board, 1 ball remaining. All the Indian fans telling Robbie, don't run for it. 26 on the board, 1 ball remaining. Amer, the bowler. Electrifying atmosphere here. The fans are on their feet. It's a single to finish off a very good over. Team India, after the completion of the first over, 27 runs on the board. Just a reminder for all the spectators to watch out in the crowd. The ball will be flying. Squeezes that out. And that races away for a boundary. And with that, he completes his half century. Let's give it up for Bharat Century. Go! Hits it. Will only be a single, but that brings us to the end of the India team innings. 119 for 2 and 6 overs. The chase when we come back is going to be 120 to win. Two openers from Team Pakistan. Make some noise for Akla and superstar Asif Ali. First one's on the board. We'll race away for a boundary. भाई जीतेगा जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा winning by 6 wickets. The crowd is celebrating her. Hits it past covers for a boundary to finish off the inning. 6 gone. Australia posted 147 for 1 in 6 overs.